In a world full of travel choices, some of the most exquisite experiences are only made available to a privileged few. As a specialist in luxury travel, we're pleased to extend our knowledge of these most unique and spectacular destinations to you. Wherever your heart dreams, we'll handle every detail. Imagine Africa, the Antarctic, Alaska, Rio, Paris, Sydney, Ephesus, St. Petersburg, Greece, Venice, Tahiti, Lake Tahoe. Our expertise is to pair our clients to the hotel, resort, or cruise line that fits their lifestyle. Through our affiliations and contacts, we offer privileged access to some of the world's most exclusive travel opportunities. Please give us a call and visit our website. Allow us to create a most exquisite experience